Check this video to get the 7 tricks for the iPhone stuck on loading screen issue. Trick 1. Restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is the easiest way to fix most iOS system issues. Trick 2. Charge your iPhone. Sometimes low power can cause your iPhone to get stuck on the loading screen, so you can connect your iPhone to a nearby power source to get it charged before restarting it. Trick 3. Update the iOS version. Ensure that you have installed the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Then open it and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Tap the iPhone icon at the top left corner and choose the Check for Updates option under Summary. Click the Download and Install button to update the iOS version. When finished, restart your iPhone. Trick 4. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. Before proceeding, you'd better back up your iPhone data to avoid any data loss. Start the computer running the latest version of iTunes and connect one end of the USB cable to the computer. Press and hold either one of the volume buttons or the home button on iPhone 6 and older for seconds. While holding the button, connect the other end of the USB cable to the iPhone. Release the volume button, and you will see the iTunes logo on the device. When iTunes automatically detects your iPhone in recovery mode, click the Restore option OK to restore it immediately. Trick 5. Restore iPhone in DFU mode. You can also boot your iPhone into DFU mode and restore it in iTunes to solve the iPhone stuck on the loading screen after the restore issue. Trick 6. Fix your iPhone with iOS Repair Tool. 1. Install the program on your computer and plug your iPhone into the computer using a USB cable. After that, click More Tools iOS System Recovery on the interface to continue. 2. When the program automatically detects your iPhone problem and shows it on the interface, tap the Start button to move on to the next step. 3. Confirm the device information on the interface and select the correct information from the drop-down menu if incorrect. Finally, click the Repair button to fix the iPhone stuck on the loading screen immediately. Trick 7. Repair iPhone in Apple Store. If nothing works for repairing the iPhone stuck on the loading screen, take your iPhone to the nearby Apple Store or contact the online Apple support team for repair.